G'day everyone. So today I'm going to cook baked spuds. So I'm going to put them in the microwave for about 5 minutes, then squash them a bit, then I'll put them in the air fryer, crisp them up, cook them a little bit longer, bit of coleslaw, sour cream, cheese, bit of bacon, and yeah, we'll see how we go. I'll just put these in the microwave, cook them for 5 minutes, just put a bit of water. Just a little bit of water in the bottom. Just sort of steams them. Got them out of the microwave. They're all right. Put them in. So I'm just going to squash them. Squashed them up. Put a bit of, drizzle some oil over them. Bit of salt and pepper. There we go. All right, we'll go 200 for 5 minutes. Almost forgot. I'm gonna have to put the bacon in too. Some bacon bits. Just put them on top. There's the coleslaw. A little bit of salt and pepper. Bit of mayonnaise. Let's have a look. Go another 5 minutes. Give them crisp them up a little bit. All right, we've got a couple of minutes to go. I'm going to put some cheese, sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on them. Let them keep going. All right, she's ready. Look at that. Smells good. Beautiful. A little bit of coleslaw on it. Let's have a try. That's nice, that. Tastes really good. That's quick, easy, in the air fryer. Beautiful. I like it. See you on the next one.